slow and steady trading. What up, YouTube? We back. It's been a while, and let me see. December was a rough month for us. We had to take a step back and regroup, but it's okay. Like I said, we slow and steady trading. This ain't about getting rich overnight. It's slow and steady, but let's show where we is at. December was real good. The beginning of December, but the end of November, beginning of December. You see, we started right around Thanksgiving. We was at $688 in the account. Now we got $713 at one point. Let me see here. If my cursor will keep up with me. You got that count up to the highest, I think, was $950, and that was on December 4th. Now, a little after a week later, which is January 6th, 2026, we down to 713. But it's okay. We're going to get back, and we're going to keep this thing going. So we got a new little setup here where I'm actually, I can do better at sharing the screen. We still gonna hit y'all with the motivational videos, but I think to do the recaps, we can come here and do that. So going into Tuesday, which will be my bad, this is actually the 6th of January because it's after midnight where I'm at. So let's go into that and check that out. Alright, so some plays we're looking at for tomorrow, which is today when this actually video is being uploaded, which will be January 6th, 2026, if you're looking at this. So these are some plays we're looking at for tomorrow. And in these little setups, I like to go for right here, where it's kind of basically just, looks like it ran out a little to a stopping point. But sometimes you gotta be careful because lately, a lot of these trades been getting caught up in these little moves right here. Where after this first day of going green, it'll pop, but it'll come all the way back down. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on, but we get caught up in a lot of these. But these kind of plays I like to go for right here, where it kind of potentially maybe find like a little bottom, where it's gonna be a reversal. Like I said, I'm doing all technical trading. I don't really look at too much financials and news. Just go off what the chart's telling me. So for today, we're looking at CD. And this is not financial advice, by the way. It's just, just me sharing what I'm doing. Then we got RITR. So I was looking for a couple of these plays. We market close for, hopefully for tomorrow. We got ZENA. SOAR, PESI. See, all these kind of look, kind of similar. TBI, CDRF, GDYN, and DMCR. We got MQ and III. Now, this is just me looking at the charts. I don't know what it's going to do. I'm just going to, wait till market open and see what's going on. And we're hoping for a reversal. Continuation of all these plays. I just, basically had their first green day. Hopefully we continue a trend up. All right. So we're going to continue to bring you these, hopefully this new setup, this recap setup we got going on here. So we're going to see what the market holds, and I'm going to come back, let you know what we did, what we got into, how much we made or how much we lost. So y'all stick with me, slow and steady trading. Catch y'all on the next one.